Today, I'm going to show you how to create the new TikTok trend. 2024 season comes to an end. This trend is going viral right now, and I'll walk you through the steps to make your own video using CapCut and TikTok. Best part, it works on both iPhone and Android. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure both your TikTok and CapCut apps are updated to the latest versions. This ensures everything works smoothly. Now, open TikTok and in the search bar, type in 2024 season comes to an end. Scroll through the videos until you find the one with the template you like. Once you've found it, tap on the video and then tap on the Try This Template button. Now tap on Use Template in CapCut. This will automatically open CapCut. In CapCut, you'll see a button that says Use Template. Tap on it and then choose the photos and videos you want to include from your gallery. Once you've selected everything, you'll get a preview of how it looks with the template. You can also do some editing if you want. And if you're happy with how it looks, tap on Export to finalize your video. You'll be asked to choose a resolution go for the highest quality for the best results. After exporting, you can save the video directly to your device. This way, you can upload it to TikTok whenever you're ready. And that's it. Now you have your own 2024 season comes to an end video ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you nailed the trend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.